In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to play I Trust in God in the key of C. My name is Christine, and here at the Gospel Method, we want to make sure you have everything you need to play your favorite gospel songs on the piano. For free resources like the one we're going to be using today, be sure to go to thegospelmethod.com and get your free membership to download things, and make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel so you don't miss any tutorials. Let's jump right into our song today. I'm going to slowly play through the PDF once with the verse, chorus, and the bridge so you can hear what it sounds like, and then we're going to go through step by step, right hand, left hand, and hands together so that you know how to play it yourself. So I'm going to start with verse 1. Blessed assurance, Jesus is mine. He's been my fourth man in the fire, time after time. Born of His Spirit, washed in His blood, and what He did for me on Calvary is more than enough. Chorus. I trust in God, my Savior, the one who will never fail. He will never fail. Bridge. I sought the Lord, and He heard, and He answered. I sought the Lord, and He heard, and He answered. I sought the Lord, and He heard, and He answered. That's why I trust Him. That's why I trust Him. And then we'll talk about how we can link those together after. Now let's take a look at our right hand. We're going to start with the intro. You can see we have a C major chord followed by 3 slashes. So we're going to play C major, C, E, G, and when we see the slashes, we just repeat it. So C, 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 C. Then we have A minor. We're going to be playing that with an inversion today. So if you're not sure what your inversions are, be sure to go over to the free resources section on the website and get your musician's toolkit, and that's going to have everything you need. It'll have a chart in there for you to follow. But A minor, we're going to play in our inversion. We have that 4 times. Then we have F, slash, 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 D minor with 2 slashes. And then we have this 1 slash going into the verse. So this would still be D minor because it's following from the introduction. And then later on when we're moving from the chorus, it could be a different chord. But for now, we're going to play D minor, D minor, D minor, and then this one will be D minor, and then we'll go into the C. Okay, so let's start from this D minor. So D minor, slash, slash, blessed assurance. Okay, so this is not the actual introduction you're going to find on the YouTube recording, but this is a simplified version that will make it really easy for you to be able to play in church. Okay, so we get to assurance. We're on C major again. And so we're going to play that C, slash, slash. Jesus is mine. A minor again. He's been my fourth man in the fire. Then we have this C slash E. Now this is a slash chord, so it means our right hand is going to play the first letter, which is C. So our right hand plays C major chord, and the left hand is going to play the second letter, which is E. And we're not playing a full chord, we're just playing the letter E. Okay, there is only one of these, there's no slashes, so we're just going to play it one time, and then we go straight to our D minor after that. Alright, so we see D minor here with a slash, so 2 of those. Then we have another slash chord called F over G, so our right hand plays the F chord, our left hand plays the G note. Okay, we have F over G, and then this slash down here is also going to be F over G because it's continuing on. So we have one more, and then we're back to the C again. All right, and then the rest of the verse is going to follow that same pattern. C, A minor, F, C over E, D minor, F over G. Then when we go over to the chorus, again, it starts with a slash. So if we're going from the verse and we're playing F over G down here, then when we continue up to the chorus, this would still be F over G until we get to the C. So I trust in God, and God would be our C. My Savior, the one. Okay, A minor, who will never. F twice, C over E twice, D minor twice, F twice. So you'll notice on this song, there is a chord progression that is fairly similar for the verse, the chorus, and the bridge. So once you learn one section, the other ones are going to be very easy. When we get down to the bridge, you'll see the same one, C, A minor, F. You'll see the pattern there, but there's more words. So the beat stays the same. I sought the Lord, and he heard, and he answered. A minor, and he heard, and he answered. F, C over E, so we need that left hand in there. 2 D minors and 2 Fs. All right, so this one's very simple once you get the progression. Now let's go in and add our left hand. So unless we have a slash chord, we're going to make sure that the left hand matches what the right hand is doing. So if the right hand is playing a C major chord, the left hand is going to play a C. And we're just going to hold it. And like I said, once we get to the slash chords, then we'll have to follow what the rule is for that. So let's start. Blessed assurance, Jesus is mine. So you can see I'm just holding it down for the left hand. Okay, I'm not repeating it like I did with the right hand. So let's try it again. Blessed assurance, Jesus is mine. He's been my fourth man in the fire time after time. All right, so when I got to C over E, I played E. And when I got to F over G, I played G. We'll continue on. Born of his spirit, washed in his blood, and what he did for me on Calvary is more than enough. And then F over G. I trust in God, my Savior, the one who will never fail. So you can see the pattern just repeats itself. In each section, the words change, but the pattern stays the same. Now, when we want to put hands together, remember our right hand is going to play all the chords and all the slashes. Our right hand is only going to go down whenever we see the chord. So together, it's going to sound like this. I'll do a playthrough from the beginning, nice and slow, so you can see all the sections. So intro, starting with our C, A minor, F, D minor. Get ready for your verse. Blessed assurance, Jesus is mine. He's been my fourth man in the fire time after time. Born of his spirit, washed in his blood, and what he did for me on Calvary is more than enough. I trust in God, my Savior, the one who will never fail. He will never fail. And then here you would probably go to verse 2, all right, after your chorus. But we're just going to keep going to the bridge so you can see all the sections together. So here's the bridge. I sought the Lord, and he heard, and he answered. I sought the Lord, and he heard, and he answered. I sought the Lord, and he heard, and he answered. That's why I trust him. That's why I trust him. Now, if you wanted to go from the bridge to the chorus, what you can do is when you get to this part right here, that's why I trust him, you can actually go, that's why I trust in God. Okay, so this slash right here, you can remove it. You can just pretend it's not there and jump right up to your chorus instead. All right, so let's try the last line of the bridge going into the chorus. So starting with D minor, that's why I trust him. That's why I trust in God. All right, so that way you're blending them together and it leads back into the chorus. Now you may have noticed at the beginning of this, it has a 1 here at the top, and we have level 1 written on our page. This is part of a bigger document over on the premium membership where we add levels each page to this song. So we add things like 7th chords, we talk about passing chords, we talk about fills and how to fill in your playing with your left hand, with right hand fills, things like that. So if you do want to take your lessons to the next level, go over to the premiummembership.com. This is where you can get full video tutorials at a higher level, and there's handouts for each song with multiple pages. We cover things like fills, left hand patterns, sevenths, nines, extensions, the Nashville number system, all the things that you guys have been asking in the comments. That is the next level. We cover that over in the premium membership. You also get access to our library of songs in all 12 keys, as well as a 1-hour Zoom question and answer session every month. So make sure you go over to thegospelmethod.com to get started today. I hope this tutorial has benefited your playing. If so, make sure you subscribe, like, and leave a comment down below what you enjoyed the most. We'll see you next time for our next video tutorial.